Changing your British Airways flight is easy if you know the right steps, whether due to changed plans or other reasons. Start by logging into the British Airways website or mobile app with your booking reference and last name, found in your confirmation email. Navigate to Manage My Booking to view and access all details of your current reservation. Select the flight you wish to reschedule. You can change dates, times, and other details as allowed by your ticket's fare rules. Check for available flights on your new desired date. The system will show options along with any applicable fare differences or change fees. After choosing a new flight, review the changes and additional costs, then confirm the changes and complete any necessary payments. You'll receive a new booking confirmation email with updated flight details once your changes are confirmed. Remember, changing flights may involve fees or paying a fare difference if the new flight is more expensive. For frequent changes, consider a flexible ticket for easier adjustments, or contact British Airways customer service for help with complex issues or unavailable options online. Our flight network works with all major airlines for seamless flight reservations. We assist with booking, cancellations, time changes, and more. Need to reschedule, check in, or upgrade? We've got you covered. Call us at 1321 461 8832 for all your flight reservation needs. For seamless travel experiences, trust our network and call us today.